welcome to the Walk the Talk. Today's topic is remote work making people more productive or more isolated? Here we welcome our guest.
Hi everyone, my name is Navneet Kaur. I am currently pursuing MBA SFM from UPEA School of Business.
Hello Navneet. So, for my question is, do you think remote work increases productivity? Why or why not?
Okay, so yes, in many cases, remote work increases productivity. Employees save a significant time by avoiding long commutes, which reduces stress and helps them start the day with more energy. Working from home also allows people to structure their schedule according to them, and some work best like in early morning and some in the evening. There are also fewer office interruptions like unplanned meetings or casual conversations that break concentration. And because of this, many companies have reported higher output levels and improved performance metrics. After shifting to productivity still remote or hybrid models. However, productivity still depends on self-discipline. If someone has a distracting home environment or lacks proper routine, their efficiency can drop. So overall, remote work can boost productivity, but it also requires personal responsibility and good time management.
That's really great perspective of yours. So my second question is, does remote work make people feel isolated?
Yes, isolation is one of the biggest drawbacks of remote work. When people work from home every day, they miss out on natural human activities casual office conversation, team lunches, or simply sharing ideas face to face. These small social moments create a sense of belonging, and when they disappear, employees can feel disconnected from their team. New employees especially may find it harder to build relationships in virtual environment. While video calls and chats, they cannot fully replace the emotional connection that comes from working together physically. For some people, the isolation can affect mental health, lower motivation, and reduce long-term engagement. So even though remote work has many benefits, the feeling of loneliness is genuine concern.
How does remote work affect the teamwork and collaboration?
So, remote work changes the team collaborate on one hand, there are apps like Zoom or Google Meet that help in managing the work, and but many tasks can be done efficiently without being in the same room. um, but the absence of face-to-face interactions can slow down brainstorming and spontaneous discussions. Sometimes messages get misunderstood or responses get delayed because everything happens through screen. Team bonding is like missing somewhere. So while technology supports collaboration, it's still fully replicate the energy and creativity that comes from in-person teamwork.
That's really nice. So moving on to the last question. So overall, does remote work make people more productive or more isolated?
Okay, so both effects exist, and which one dominates depends on the individual and the company's perspective or practices. Remote work can definitely boost productivity due to flexibility, distractions. Many employees feel they work more efficiently at home. However, the same setup can lead to social isolation, especially if communication practices are weak or the team doesn't interact regularly. The best approach is balance, like the hybrid model, where employees come to office and collaborate, and on the other hand, stay at home for focused work, combines the advantages of both systems in the long run. In the long run, remote work will be the most successful when organization pay attention not just to productivity but also to mental well-being and team bonding.
Thank you.